welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I am uploading my seasonal fall 2025 FabFitFun Customize With Me video. I love making these videos, and if you're watching this video, I bet that you love FabFitFun too, just like me. So if you want to check out all the items that I'm going to be picking for my customization options, definitely keep watching. If you didn't check out my add-ons video that I just uploaded, definitely check those out too. I think there were some pretty solid add-ons to check out this season. But I'm always, honestly, most excited about the actual seasonal box because then you get to pick from a whole bunch of other cool stuff that you can choose from. So I'm excited to share with you guys my picks. If you are new to FabFitFun, definitely check out the description box down below. I will leave a link that's a referral link that will save you some money if you want to subscribe on your own. This video is in no way sponsored by FabFitFun. I purchased all these items by myself, and I've just been a loyal member for many, many years, so I will give you the truth, the real truth about what I think of some of these products, because I have tried out quite a bit of them. But I obviously love the subscription service. It's the only service that I currently have for subscription services, so I really, really love getting these products every single season. It really gets me excited for the season ahead. And I love sharing my thoughts about FabFitFun with you guys because you always give me such great feedback. So I'm looking for that again here today. Please let me know what you guys think and what you're picking out as well. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into these selections. And this time I'm probably not gonna talk about everything. I think the video gets pretty long when I do that, but I will give you the highlights and definitely highlight the items that I currently have picked out because I have quite a bit of them. So I'm gonna head over here and put up some screenshots for the products that I'm talking about. But this season, I am excited about because I actually anticipate this is gonna be a good box based on these picks. I've been a little underwhelmed with FabFitFun over the past couple of years, but honestly, these look pretty solid to me, so I'm excited about it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into customization 1. These are kind of the highlighted blockbuster products, and I think they really are delivering here, in my opinion. So things I had my eye on, first was this LMS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. So if you watch my videos, and especially my FabFitFun ones, you know that I'm a big LMS fan. I use their Marine Day Cream, and then I use their Marine Night Cream, which I have on subscription through FabFitFun. And then I recently just purchased their eye cream. Haven't used it yet, but I will report back what I think about it. So I really love their products. And I have not tried these facial pads, so I definitely have my eye on it. I didn't select it for now, but definitely something that is a little bit of a standout. There's some Amika products, which I'm gonna pass on because I have a lot of hair products like that. What I did select, as you see here, is this Sunday Citizen Snug Lap Throw in Cherry Lacquer. Look at that beautiful burgundy type color. It's just gorgeous. So I have this here, but I really want your feedback here because I'm not familiar with this brand. Another thing that I'm thinking about purchasing now as an add-on is the Unhide blankets. They offered a couple of really pretty ones this year. So I might get that instead of this. So I can't decide. I don't know much about this brand. So I don't know, let me know if you've tried it before or what you think about this versus the Unhide. The other product that I have here is a Splits 59 Gym Tote, and this is a no-brainer for me. I'm gonna get this. I'm a bag person. I love bags and purses, as you all probably know. And this is just gorgeous. Love the color, love the little quilted kind of squishy design. So definitely gonna be a no-brainer for me. I'm gonna be picking that one up. A couple other highlights here. There's some baking products, which I'm gonna pass because I don't really bake. There's a candle holder. There is a skincare wand kit, which is interesting. That's their Luxe Choice, and I really love how they've been doing Luxe Choices recently. But I'm not really familiar with that, so I'm not sure if it's worth it. It's a little pricey, so I'm gonna pass for now. And then they offer these really pretty crew neck sweaters. So I'm actually gonna pick this up as well. I think it'll match the blanket and the tote. But I just love these oversized kind of sweatshirt looks. I like the brand We Wore What. So I think I'm gonna get this in a size medium. There's a couple of robes which I almost wanted to go for, but I decided to put back. The mystery choice was still available. And then they do offer these credits now, which is also kind of cool. This is kind of a newer feature, I know, where if you don't find anything you love in a particular customization section, you can actually opt to get some cash back. So that's pretty cool. 15 bucks cash back is an offer. So those are the selections for customization 1. And again, I should make a little disclaimer that these options are what's available at the time that I'm doing my selections, but these always come and go, as you guys know. Sometimes things get sold out and then they get put back. So right now, this is what's available to me, but I'm sure it'll change over the coming days while we have to look at the shopping windows. But love customization 1, the sweater for sure, the bag, and probably the blanket are probably my highlights. All right, so next up, customization 2. Again, I can't decide between a bunch of this stuff. So the first one here is this beautiful little emerald green CZ baguette earring and necklace set. I love jewelry, not quite as much as I love handbags, but almost, and love this color. I love the earrings. I don't know if I'm gonna wear the necklaces so much because I tend to wear my gold necklaces that I never take off all the time. So I may not wear the necklace, but I love the color. I just can't resist really pretty jewelry. So I've picked that. They have a couple of bag options or handbag options from 8 Other Reasons, which I know they've offered things from this line before. There's this vegan leather slouchy bucket bag, and then a slouch tote in stone, which I think might be a suede type of material. I like the style a little bit more of the slouch tote in that darker color, so I've picked that now for an upcharge of $17. I think it's probably worth it. I don't need another bag, but I just really like the style, so I might actually pick that up. There's an eye cream there, which looks nice, some little mugs, and some hair mist, it looks like, I think. But the other thing I picked here was this cardigan. So I'm not familiar with this brand either, but I picked it in small medium. It looks kind of like a basic gray cardigan, but I mean, who couldn't use something like that? I think these are just super versatile to throw in your bag. So at least for now, I have my eye on that. There's some beautiful cream highlighters in so many different shades, as you can see, which is kind of cool. There's a Playdate massager, which is very interesting. And there's $14 credit option for this customization window if you want to select that. So for these options, I think that really solid choices again. I can't decide. The jewelry, the handbag, the cardigan, I think they're all solid pieces. So for the next customization options, there are some really cool pieces from Rare Beauty, and I might have missed this in previous seasons, but I think this might be the first time that I've seen them partner with Rare Beauty, and I'm excited about it because I like these products. I have the highlighter. I have some other pieces that I can't remember anymore, but I haven't tried this soft pinch powder blush, so I may give this a try. Look at how beautiful those colors are, just stunning. So I'm excited about these options. What I currently picked here though is this necklace. I mean, I told you how much I'm obsessed with jewelry. I don't need another one, but this is a really pretty dainty necklace in either gold or silver tone. So I picked out the gold tone because I tend to wear more gold. So at least for now, that's what I have. There's this really cute lunch bag, which I almost went for, but I don't even take lunch. So I said, why am I doing that? I don't know, I had to put it back, but it's super cute. And then there's some other beauty products here, and the other thing that I picked here is from Stony Clover Lane. And stay tuned if you like Stony Clover Lane videos because I have recently become obsessed with this brand. They are not new. I thought they were overpriced for so many years, so I never splurged. But once I tried a piece, I am hooked. I think their pieces are so beautiful and really, really functional. What got me hooked, honestly, is their collaborations with Disney because my kids love going on Disney cruises, going to the parks, and I saw some really unique bags people carry, and they were Stony Clover. So that's what got me to look at them a little more. And since then, it is over. I am obsessed. I will share with you guys some videos coming up from my Stony Clover Lane collection in case you're curious. But I've not tried their card case, so I am going to almost for sure pick this up. I want to try this card case. Honestly, what I love about this brand usually is that you can customize it or for their fun prints. So I don't know if I'm going to love this piece as much because it's neither of those, but I want to try it out. I think it looks really pretty. There is a couple other fun things here. I think there's a little digital offer, which looks like matchmaking, and a Dr. Jart product. And then you can also offer this $11 credit if you want to as well. So love those selections. I'm particularly excited about that little Stony Clover piece. All right, so next up we have some Thrive Cosmetics. We have some trivets. We have a napkin set. There is this really cool threader earring option, either in gold or silver. So again, obsessed with jewelry, so I'm picking the gold tone. There's another digital offer trial. And then there's this 8 Other Reasons jewelry travel bag, which I also selected. I thought that looked really functional and really pretty. So for this selection section, you can also get a $10 credit if you opt to do for that. But I'm going to pick one of those jewelry items or the jewelry case in this one. All right, so next up, we have options that first include, again, Rare Beauty, which, as I mentioned, excited about. I haven't tried the hand cream, so I kind of want to try this out. I've also picked this Pantone notebook. So I love a lot of things, as I've said before, but I do really like stationery as well, and I love planners and agendas. I collect too many notebooks, but this is a really pretty color, perfect for the fall season. I think it's just a kind of a plain notebook, but I always like to stock up on these. There's a heat protectant spray. Looks like a product set that helps, I think, remove hair, like facial hair. Some electrolyte selections, and then some Pilates socks. There's a mask that you can consider another digital offer. It seems like they're offering more and more of these things recently. A period cycle, I think, pill pack, which I think has been offered previously. At least for now, the mystery choice here is still available. And then you can also opt to get your $10 credit. All right, so this next selection option grouping was honestly maybe one of my favorites, and it's because of these products. So Merit lip products are probably my most favorite items from the line. I just love their lip products. And I have done a little Merit unboxing / mini first impression review, which I'll link below in case you're wondering, where I purchased these exact products. I love them. I can't recommend them enough. I think you'll see if you purchase these that the quality of the vessels and packaging is super high end. And their products, of their actual lip products, are also really, really long lasting and hard wearing. And they're just beautiful. So I was so excited to see them partner with Merit, and I've never seen Merit products either, I don't think, before in these boxes. So I picked out the Lip Slick or tinted lip oil in Pink Beach, which I don't own. I own the taupe one, so I didn't pick that out. And then I picked out their signature lipstick in Classic, as you can see there. So love both of these. There's another Rare Beauty body and hair fragrance mist, which looks nice. There's a hair spray there, a couple of pie servers, which are really nice with the pie plates that they had earlier. I'm sure that wasn't a coincidence. And then the Luxe Choice is this fragrance, which I almost decided to get, but I think I'll pass on. The Steve Madden glasses totally remind me of the Celine glasses, which I own as well, but I'm going to pass on that for that reason. Mystery Choices option, as is a $10 credit here. I should also say one other final product in this grouping is the Bloom Green. So I actually also picked this up because I currently use Bloom Green. So I think this is a good deal. I haven't tried the strawberry kiwi. I've tried the coconut and mango, which I really like. I think I like the mango a little bit more, but I'm excited to try this. So this is also a no-brainer for this grouping. And then finally here, I don't remember doing 7 customizations, but this one offered a 7th. So I'm excited about more selections, of course. This one though was a little underwhelming for me. I hate to say it, but I didn't really totally love anything here. What I'm gonna pick is the Rare Beauty lotion, just because I like the line. I don't need more lotions though, so I don't know if I really need that, but I'm gonna pick that because that's the best option out of all of these things. I don't really need the Hourglass eyeshadow stick, but that is also really pretty and has a lot of shade options. So for this customization window, I'm going to go with the lotion, but I probably could have done without it, honestly. It would have been nice if they offered a credit for this one, because they probably would have gone for that one. All right, so there you have it. Those are my customization selections as it stands now for my fall 2025 box. I think it's a solid box. As you can see, I picked a lot of extra customization products. I'm not going to go with them all, but those are the ones I have my eye on now. I'm probably going to pick up most of them though, because I totally love them. I have many standouts, but I really love the collaboration with Merit, as I keep talking about, Rare Beauty, as I keep talking about. I really love the tote in selection 1. I think those are my standouts from this box. But let me know what you guys think. What are your standouts? What are you guys picking up? Because you always influence me, as you know. Let me know what you think about the sizing of the items I picked out, the style of the items, whether or not these things you think will work for me or work for you. And then I will weed down my selections. If you want to see what I pick up, both for my add-ons and my customization options, definitely stay tuned because I will post, as usual, my full mega unboxing of all the products once I get them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I will see you again in my next one. Bye for now.